Okay, so here we will find the current about the in the 3 loop. Okay, I1, I2 and I3, and this is our circuit, and here the 3 loop is there. Okay, first, second, third. So for this 3 loop we have to apply the KVL, the Kirchhoff voltage law, and we know that the Kirchhoff voltage law is summation of IIRI equal to summation of total EMF. Okay, IIRI means the total current and the corresponding resistance of this current. Okay, so here for this loop the current is I1. Okay, so this is the I1 current. So I1 current is flowing in this way. Okay, so here it is going. Okay, so in the positive direction, so that is the 5 into I1. Okay, and here I1 current is going, and in this resistance there 2 current is added. Okay, I1 and I2. So when we consider the first loop, then we will actually make the main things about the I1. So we will consider I1 positive. Okay, at that time it is the main I1. So here 3 into I1 minus I2 will be. Okay, actually when we consider any loop, at that time in this loop this corresponding current will be the main, so and this will be the main. Okay, that means this will be the positive and the next will be the negative. We will consider it. Okay, so here I1, so from 3 I1 minus I2, okay, equal to the total EMF, and we know that current is always goes from positive electrode to positive electrode. Okay, so current should be go in this direction. Okay, from positive to electrode, but here current is coming in this way. Okay, downward direction. Okay, so this will be wrong. So here we will write minus 5. Okay, then current is in this way. That is in this way means we can find that from the positive electrode it is going upward, so it will be the right. So this will be positive, so plus 20. Okay, and we can write this 8 I1 minus 3 I2 equal to 15. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Now the second loop. For the second loop also we can for the loop 2. Okay, for the loop 2 we can also find that for the loop 2 the current is I2. Okay, so here 4 I2 we can write 4 I2. Okay, then it is going through the 2 I2, and here also 2 currents are corresponding. Okay, so that is the I2 current and I3 current, but as this is the loop number 2, so the I2 current will be the main, so it will be the positive sign. So 2 into I2, and the next, that is the other current will be the negative. Okay, I2 minus I3. Okay, then in this way it is going to in this direction. Okay, so to the this resistance, so here also 2 current is corresponding. Okay, that is I2 and I1, sorry. So as this is the loop number 2, so here also I2 will always be positive, so 3 into I2, and the next will be or other will be the negative, then I2 minus I1. Okay, equal to the total EMF. Okay, so EMF means we have to consider always that the current will be goes from the positive electrode, that is in this way. So it is the right direction, so this will be plus 5 plus here also in this way it is going, so from the positive direction it is going, so this is also 5, and here also the current is going in this direction. Okay, so here also the current is going to the positive direction, so this will also be 5. Okay, so this is our total equation. So we can write the equation clearly that 3 I1 minus 9 I2 plus 2 I3 equal to minus 15. Okay, actually we have calculated this is plus 15, but here minus is there. Okay, so if we calculate this we will get this thing. So this will be equation number 2, and this is the equation number 3. Now one loop is left, so that is the loop number 3. So for loop 3, for loop 3 also we can see that the current is I3. Okay, so for this resistance we can write that 8 I3. Okay, plus in this way it is going and in this. So in this resistance two currents are corresponding, that is I2 and I3. I3 and I2. So but here the main current is I3, so I3 will be positive. So 2 into I3 minus the other current will be I2, as I2 is not the current of this loop 3, so this will be minus I2. Okay, and equal to. Now we have to consider the voltage. So here the current is going in this direction, but we should know it should be go through the positive, okay, upward direction. So this will be negative, minus 30. And here also current should go in this direction, but current is going in this direction, so this is also wrong. So this will also negative, minus, so it will be minus 5. So if we calculate this, we will get 2I2 minus 10I3 equal to 35. Okay, so this is our equation number 3. So we got this one equation, the equation number 2, and the equation number 3. So by solving this 3 equation, we can get the 3 value I1, I2, I3. So this is the simple equation solving. I do not do this. So we will get that I1 equal to 543 by 299 ampere, that is 1.813 ampere. Okay, I2 equal to minus 1875598. That is the circuit, and analysis is important, not this solution. Solution is also important. Okay, and I3 is equal to 299 ampere, that is equal to 2.558 ampere. So this is our whole calculation. Thank you.